Lido with the boat and the jack, but was all he missed. He ain't coming back. At a tombstone bar, the children car, he made a stop. Just long enough to grab a handle off the top. Next don't try to lead a bucket down the road. He said one more job would fit it, one last job would fit it. Down for the road, Lido. He's for the money, he's for the show. Lido's waiting for another go. Lido. One last shot, one last shot, then we get it. One more for the road. Well, how do you there, pluckers? I've saw things again with a bit of a laugh for you, okay? Lido Shuffle from Bozz Scaggs, okay, on the single acoustic. Okay then, standard tuning, doing it in the same key as Bozz Scaggs, okay? So let's get to it. So that was basically a very basic Campfire version, okay? But what you heard there was basically the intro, some verses and some choruses, okay? It then repeats the whole thing again with some different words on the verse, okay? And then there's an instrumental bit, obviously, with the synthesizer, little runs and everything. I'll show you the chords for that later on in the lesson, okay? So if you want to put that in. So this is basically a Campfire version, okay? So let's start it off, right? We're basing off a bass. There's very little guitar in this song actually, but here we go. I did my best. So playing the first fret of the bottom E string, okay? I'm palm muting it to some degree, back edge of the hand here resting near the bridge somewhere with the back edge of the hand there, just to muffle it a bit. And it's like bum 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 bum. You do that for a couple of bars, and then you do like 3, and you go up a fret to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, okay? So it's okay. And then you go into a G chord, G bar chord, because what I'm doing is like that sort of thing, okay? So sorry. Okay, so this is all mainly bar chords for anybody that doesn't play bar chords. I'm afraid this is probably not for you, okay? So so it goes into the G after the little bass run, and it's like so it's like a okay, into a C. So it's Lido is the boat that they hear the shack. And then you go up 1 to a C sharp, and then to the D on the 5th fret there, and the 7th fret. So I'm playing bar chords with the G major shape, and then the C is like that shape. You could use 3 fingers if you want on the 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, and the same for the D. I'm up to the 5th fret with a bar, and the 7th fret with the 3 fingers or the single bar, okay? So I said this is not one for people who don't play bar chords, okay? So from the beginning, let's just recap. Back to the C, coming back. Then we've got this break, and that's an F bar chord, and you hit the sort of bass note, and then the rest of the chord, and then you do the same with the B flat. So again, that's that 1st fret bar, but I'm barring the 3rd fret of the 4th, third and second strings, or 3 fingers if you want 3 fingers. So it's, and you hit that on the second chord. You hit that, try and hit that 5th string, and then the chord. Okay, so first bottom of your string, strike on the F, and then on the B flat, 5th string, right? That sort of thing. Yeah. So from the beginning, slowly. That one. He ain't coming back. Okay, then we repeat that. Back to the verse again. The two-song jar in the jukebox car. He made the stop. Just like grab the handle off the top. This time it goes back to the D again. It doesn't do the. It's only on the first time. Okay, so from the beginning. Another verse. Next old try down the lane, but right down the road. Now this is a break. He said one more job. Right, this bit quite quick. So the third verse is only like half a verse. It's like next old try. So next old try down the lane, but right down the road. Now we come to this fast bit. He said one more job. So that's basically a G chord. I'm playing it as a sort of an F shape, right? 1 D, more F, some C. One more job, and then finishing on the F. On auto, it's C, order, F, get it. One more, right? So one more job. You repeat that, okay? One last shot, okay? So it's one more job, one last shot, and then you do G, D, B flat, roll, F, roll, and then we're into the chorus, okay? So from the beginning, slowly. The shack. But that was all he ain't coming back. And a two-song bar and a two-drum bar, he made it stop. Just long enough to grab the handle of the top. Next don't try down, but money down low. He said one more job, baby, one last job, baby. One for the road. Okay, got that a bit loose, but you get the idea, don't you? Then we're into the chorus. Okay, now B flat. I'm playing a bar called B flat, 6th fret major shape. Okay, Lido. Sorry, there's a where it goes. Lido. Whoa, E flat. Again, just the same bar, 6th fret bar, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 8th fret. 3 fingers or a single finger, yeah. Lido. Whoa, and then we do this bit. That's the same chord, but it goes down, goes Lido. Whoa. climbs up to the F chord, same chord, but I'm now on the 8th fret with the bar and the 10th fret with the second bar, or 3 fingers. So Lido, C's for the show, back to E flat, down 2 frets, Lido's away and B flat, for another go, and then F, finish on the F, okay, so it's Lido, E's for the money, E's for the show, Lido's waiting for another show, slowly, Lido, he's for the money, he's for the show, Lido's waiting for another go. And back to B flat for the second part of the chorus, Lido. Now we've got a rundown on chords, E flat, D minor, 5th fret bar minor shape, C sharp, C minor, 3rd fret bar minor shape, and back to the B flat. So Lido, B flat. Now we come another quick bit again, okay, where it goes one more job, get it. Right, what this bit is. So when you come out to that Lido, second one, okay, then we got stabs, okay, da, da, B flat, ba, F, that's on the 8th fret and 10th fret, yeah, the 3 fingers or single bar, ba, ba, A flat, 4th fret major shape bar chord, ba, 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 then the E flat, da, 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 da. So it's ba, 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 ba. Okay, so B flat, F, A flat, E flat, da, 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 A flat. Repeat, da, 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 da. And then finally we've got the last one where it goes, one more for the road. That's just B flat, F, E flat, stop. One more for the road. And then bub, 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 and it goes that F to B flat stab again, like we had in the first line of the verse. F bar chord, bass notes, chunk, B flat bass chord, 5th string, strike chord, and back to the G again, for the next verse. Okay, so shall we go through the whole thing very slowly? Okay, I'll try my best. This is not the easiest song to show somebody, because there's not a lot of guitar in it actually. Okay, it's all horns, bass and piano and keyboards and stuff. Right, so here we go. So let's try that again. Just long get the idea, don't you? Okay, a bit loose around the edges, but you get the idea. Right, now the other thing I can show you basically is the when you come out of the second verses and second chorus, instead of going back into the you don't do that. So when you do that, it goes into the instrumental bit, and the first bit is G, then you go to the C, then you go D. This is where the synthesizer bit comes in. D, F. Sorry, that's right. Let me just look at my piece of paper again. Sorry. Yeah. So it's G, D, B flat, F, quick C, G, D, B flat, F, quick C, and then does that 3 or 4 times, and it finishes on the F, and then it goes back into another chorus again. Okay, and that's how the song finishes. So the very last chorus, when it comes out of the instrumental, Lido, there's a fade out as well, but so I'm only doing the one. Okay, Lido, he's for the money, he's for the show, Lido's waiting for another show, Lido. That's how I suggest you might finish it, okay? Because it just fades out, going round and round that chorus bit, okay? Thanks very much for watching, listening. Sorry about the looseness of it, but it's just a bit of fun, this one, okay? Not overly serious. Thanks very much for watching, listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye.